Determine the graph of the cosine curve with an amplitude of 2 and a period of 2. Okay. Well, we want a cosine curve. So without any other information about phase shift, all right, so there's no left-right motion to speak of, we know that a cosine function normally starts off high, and then it goes low, and then it ends high, and of course repeats. Whereas the sine function starts off at the origin, starts off on the midline, and then it goes up and down and back. So, at a glance, I'm looking at this first graph. It starts at the midline. Okay, so that's looking like a sine function. This is supposed to be a cosine curve, so I'm going to throw this one out. Okay, this one starts off high. Okay, also, might as well go ahead and deal with the amplitude and period. The amplitude is supposed to be 2, and the period is 2. Okay, so I see that this has an amplitude of 2. Alright, it goes up 2, down 2. It starts off high, like a cosine function should. The period is how long this cycle is on the x-axis. So just tracing the length of it on the x-axis, that's 2 units. So it looks like we found the answer right here. Okay, I'm betting that the answer is this one. Alright, now, but that was so easy, let's just quickly look at some of the other graphs to see why they're a no. So this one is a cosine function. So that aspect of it was looking good. And the amplitude is 2 because it goes up 2 and down 2. The reason why this one is not correct is because of the period. If I look at the horizontal length of this, okay, of one cycle, the period is 3, not 2. So that's why that one was not the right answer. Whoa, what is this garbage? So I feel like I should just zoom in because these are so small. So here is one cycle. Again, it has the proper amplitude. Okay, it has the amplitude of 2. But the period is wrong. Okay, I'm going to use this one as an example. Okay, one cycle of this graph is only 1 unit. So for this graph, the period is 1 and not 2. Alright,